So this project took around 10 months of work. Well, not 10 months of work, but I started this project 10 months ago. And now I just got it to the point where I think I can actually upload and post a video of it. Good progress. Everything that I'm doing now with it is kind of tweaking it, you know, putting on the final touches before I like do a lot more straight up just testing. But yeah, I started this about 10 months ago, and I wanted it to be done like 5 months ago, but a lot of work got in the way, so I had to put this on pause for a while, and now I got back into it, and well, now we'll go from there. So this project that I want to do is making wall climbers. I want to climb walls, all right? There was another YouTuber who made wall climbers like a while ago, and I saw his video, and I thought, can I do that as well, but also pretty much make it entirely 3D printed? The answer to that one is pretty much no. Most 3D filaments just kind of snap under the weight. So, I figured that out a lot later on in the project after I'd fallen off the wall like 20 or 30 times and broke so many of my machines. But it's almost entirely 3D printed, and I'm going to have a ton of files on Patreon for people to be able to look at. But yes, I wanted to make Spider-Man wall climbers. So over the last 10 months, I kind of just dove right into there, and I made a lot of mistakes. There's a lot of failed attempts to do that, and you're going to see a lot of that failed stuff in the video. So we're going to kind of jump right into the middle of my process, just of me starting on 3D printing and building some of the models. So we're kind of just gonna go right into it. There's gonna be pretty much a cold open. Okay, so I've gone through a few, just a couple different iterations of these. These are you know, the suction cups. I have gone through one iteration of this. This is the actual thing that is held in place with the suction cup, right? So you hold it in place, and then this thing will basically just conform around any material that I pretty much touch, so that it'll get a better seal. And we're gonna build it. We're gonna do a couple tests, and then we're going to see what else we can do. Yeah, so the first design didn't work out at all. It didn't stick to nothing at like at all, and actually it cracked the filament like in 3 different spots, and then it ripped it to shreds. And if I tried to put my weight on it, it would fold over itself, and it didn't work at all. So this is the original version. It's got, you know, it basically is just a circular thing, and then it has the silicone rubber here, a hole in the center to kind of suck it out, but it obviously didn't really work. TPU obviously did not good at holding anything in, so I'm going a full 3D printed thing instead. This is kind of what this main part looks like. This is obviously what's gonna attach to like a table or, you know, a wall, and hopefully get sucked in. But I haven't really tested this stuff out yet. Luckily, this entire thing takes about 2 hours to print. It's not a very long print. So if I did everything perfectly, which I probably didn't, these should go through and pretty much be very difficult to get into, like get flush in with these holes, because they're pretty much exactly the same. But they should be able to be flush with the holes. Okay. Now it is done. Okay. So I thought I had a 12-volt pump. I've only got a 4.5-volt pump. So this is actually useless for our application. It does absolutely nothing to hold up anything. So what are we doing here now? Why am I recording this? I'm recording this because I'm going to stick this thing to the wall, and I'm going to use my mouth to suck out the air, and I'm going to see if it actually holds itself up. Oh, Jesus.
I am not nearly as strong as a pump, and I cannot pull that much air out. But it held itself up, so we're on the right track. This guy couldn't even hold itself up, right? So this is able to do so, and if I were to try to use this guy on the wall, it doesn't work at all. So this was a failure. This has potential. So I have to get a better pump, change the back design to fit whatever adapter comes with the pump, and then continue improving the design all the way down to my wrist so that I have some extra connection to the device. I am too afraid to do this. Okay, one more time. I hold on to it for like a second, and then I feel that something's gonna break or something's gonna bend on the wall or something, and then I can't hold it anymore. I need a release valve because this thing can't come off. Okay, it's starting to slide now when I put my full weight on it. Catcher's mitt style. Yeah, really get it in there. Hold on. Just give it a minute. Give it a minute. This took so long. Look at that. Okay. Let me introduce you to the boys. Okay, we got right hand, and we got left leg, and then we got right leg. Wait. Yeah, right leg, and then we got left hand. So right leg, left hand, and then right hand, left leg. Say that 10 times fast. Jesus. It's beautiful. Oh, man. I'm going to climb a wall now. Come on. You're recording? Thank you. Come on. Yes. Now, let's connect. Oh, this is really hard. Come on. Come on. Stick. Oh. I have buttons on my hands that control the leg motions, but they don't always work.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta press it, didn't turn on. Now it did. So it's not always responding. Okay, last time I did this, I put too much force into my leg and then it snaps.
Oh shit, he's fucking climbing.
Come on.
This guy's fucking Spiderman. Oh shit.
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it. I broke it again!
Well, there you go.
our devices kept snapping. Every time I kept climbing a wall, the plastic kept snapping. As I said before, plastic just can't handle the weight. We needed an upgrade. We needed metal parts, and while we're at it, instead of just having breadboards, we needed to upgrade to real PCBs.
Ain't she a beauty? Real metal this time around, so that doesn't snap. We got actual PCBs this time around, so that it looks good instead of just using breadboards, which break. It's beautiful. It's glorious.
Oh, you know it. It's sponsor time. This is a great time to segue over to this video's sponsor. Huge shout out to PCBway for sponsoring this project. They didn't just make all the custom PCBs I needed, they also created all the metal parts used for supporting my lower half. They nailed the quality, the turnaround time, pretty much everything. PCBway does PCBs, CNC machining, 3D printing, and sheet metal fabrication. Basically, if you can design it, they can make it for you. Also, if you are someone like me, a person with a tight budget, PCBway is a pretty affordable option. I'm new to designing PCBs and ended up having to redesign and reorder parts, so I was happy that the price wasn't destroying my bank account. Overall, I was happy with everything, and I have a feeling you will also enjoy their services. It helped to make the project feel more professional and less of a prototype.
Alright, look at these. Look at this bad boy. I can bend the legs. They look pretty nice. And it's got metal brackets so that nothing will break anymore. This looks super janky. Okay. This is like, I think test like 10. I've fallen many times. Many times I have fallen. Alright, so to turn these on, I actually have to use my hands, so this is going to be problematic because these take up both my hands. So I just kind of come down with a finger. That means it's working. It also means it's working. Okay, so we're going to start with this arm and this leg. The arm connects and the leg connects. We're gonna see what happens if I just okay. Disconnect one. Disconnect the other. Next arm. Next leg. Arm good. Come on, bud. Leg is not good. Leg is now good. Alright. Nothing broke. Both arms. Good. Both legs. I'll need one arm to even get it to work. You gotta have like at least 3 points of contact with this stuff. It's sliding down. I think the battery might be dying on this one. That might be the reason why it's a little bit fucked up, a little bit messed up. Okay. Whoa. Both legs.
Undo one. Undo the other. Both hands. Oh, Jesus. The legs do seem to be slipping and sliding a little bit. They don't seem to have perfect connection. But they work. Ugh.
So now we're at the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. In the next video, I actually plan on pretty much making it, recording an entire video of me climbing a wall. Just me climbing. I plan on doing a little bit more work on this, just kind of tighten up a few things, make sure that the suction works really well, and then I'm gonna practice some more and practice until I get relatively okay at climbing a wall, and then I plan on recording a video of me climbing a wall, and then maybe I have some of my friends try it out. So stay tuned for the next, week or month or 2 months or so for that to come out. But if you really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and, like it. Maybe leave a comment down below, and you could even subscribe, The last video that got uploaded to the channel was like a year ago. So I do apologize for having such a late upload. Work was definitely tough. To be able to actually do projects, but I'm gonna try to get back into it even more. I'm gonna try to work on the projects as much as I can. But anyways, I just want to thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you next time.